Struggling with digestion? Let's talk about the best foods to boost your gut health. From fiber-packed veggies to probiotic-rich yogurt, these superfoods can keep your digestive system happy and healthy. 1. High-fiber foods. High fiber are essential for a healthy gut, especially for your colon. Fiber acts like a broom, keeping things moving and ensuring a clean, happy digestive system. There are two types of fiber. Soluble fiber, which are found in oats, sweet potatoes, berries, and flax seeds, forms a gel-like substance that slows digestion. This helps your body absorb nutrients more effectively and keeps your blood sugar stable. Plus, it keeps you feeling full longer. A win for weight management. Then there is insoluble fiber, which are found in whole grains, leafy greens, and citrus fruits. Doesn't dissolve in water. Instead, it adds bulk to your stool and promotes regularity, preventing constipation. Harvard research even suggests that a fiber-rich diet can reduce the risk of colon diseases like diverticulitis and colorectal cancer. So, pile on those veggies and whole grains for a gut that's both healthy and happy. 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is great for its easily digestible properties. Unlike most fats, coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, which are quickly absorbed and converted into energy. No bile or pancreatic enzymes needed. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone with liver, gallbladder, or pancreatic issues. 3. Papaya and pineapple. These two are nature's digestive helpers. Papaya and pineapple are not only delicious but also packed with proteolytic enzymes that aid digestion. Papaya contains papain, a natural enzyme that breaks down proteins, while pineapple is rich in bromelain, another powerful enzyme that supports protein digestion and reduces bloating. These enzymes can be especially helpful for those with conditions like pancreatic insufficiency or celiac disease, ensuring proper nutrient absorption and soothing digestive discomfort. 4. Cayenne pepper. Now, this is a spicy kick for digestion. Try adding a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper to a little water before meals. This fiery spice stimulates your gastric glands, waking up your digestive system and preparing it to break down food efficiently. Cayenne pepper's magic lies in capsaicin, the compound responsible for its heat. Capsaicin boosts stomach acid production, aiding in protein digestion and nutrient absorption. 5. Fermented foods. These are the probiotic powerhouses. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. These foods are packed with probiotics, live bacteria that replenish your gut microbiome. A healthy gut microbiome is the cornerstone of digestion, immunity, and overall wellness. Incorporating fermented foods into your diet can help restore balance, improve nutrient absorption, and even support mental health, thanks to the gut-brain connection. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on living your best, healthiest life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.